Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a spicy green chicken curry. Here I have not used any food color to give this green color to the curry. I have used natural ingredients and I love to savor this curry with idli, dosa, appam, plain rice and even with ghee rice. I hope you love this recipe of mine. So keep watching. To make this, here I am grinding 2 green chilies, 1 tomato, 2 onions, 2 teaspoons cumin seed, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon peppercorns and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now grind this till smooth without adding any water. Here you can see the tomato and onion mixture is ready. Keep this aside and again grind a handful of fresh coriander leaves. To give a thick texture, I am adding 1/4 cup of coconut and adding water to grind this to smooth. Add water only if required. Now you can see a beautiful green colored masala is ready. Keep them aside. In a pressure cooker, heat some oil and add a piece of cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 2 cardamom and half finely chopped onion. Fry the onion till it changes its color to light brown. Now add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell fades away. Once the onion is turned to golden brown, add clean and wash 500 grams of chicken and stir fry till it changes its color to white. This should not take more than 1 minute. Once the chicken is stir fried well, add 3 potatoes which are cut into half and stir fry for another 1 minute. Once the potatoes are done, it's time to add the onion and tomato mixture. Give this mixture a good mix until you see the chicken well coated with it. Fry it for 2 minutes. Once done, add salt as per taste and at this stage add in the coconut and coriander leaf mixture. Give this a good mix and fry it till it's combined well. Once it's well combined, now we need to change this into curry. So I'm adding 1.5 cup of water, giving this a good mix. Add salt if required. Once it's mixed well, allow it to get a boil. And then close the lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles and once the pressure is normally released, open the lid and you can see our beautiful green chicken curry is ready. The chicken is super soft and the potato is cooked well. Serve this hot along with rice, ghee rice, or also you can savor this with idli, dosa, rotis or ragi ball. I hope you found this video helpful and you liked this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do give this recipe a try and let me know your experience in the comment section below this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon on another video.